Hi Alice, thanks very much for the question with regards to your LG washing machine tripping the electricity. Now you say you've got model number FH4U2VDN1. Do be aware before I start there are multiple variations of this model and you will need to use the full information off your identification plate. Now what I've done for you is I've put a link in the description below to all the variations of this machine and the article that I'm talking about now with associated videos and exploded diagrams to assist you. Now you're basically telling me that there has been some stretch on the cable and damage on the cable, so you need to go through a step-by-step process of elimination. Now the normal way engineers test for earth leakage or direct shorts on a washing machine is using an insulation tester, or sometimes known as a mega. Now these instruments are very expensive and I do not expect you to own one of these. So we're going to have to go through the process of elimination. The most common item on any washing machine to cause an electrical trip is either a chaffed wire, which could be the problem when you said you had a load on the cable, meaning that you were stretching the cable. Do check every individual wire going through the machine, making sure nothing has chaffed through to the copper and is touching the chassis. This is called a direct short and would automatically trip your fuse board. Mechanical items that might fail. The most common, believe it or not, on any washing machine to cause an earth leakage or trip is the heating element, and it's quite easy to test this. Unplug the machine, disconnect the two wires going to the heating element, tape them up and then leave them disconnected from the heating element. Plug the machine back into the power supply. If it doesn't trip the electricity, then there you go, it's the heating element. But if it does trip the electricity, we need to move on to another component. And I'm not going to go through every component with you because it would take me too long, but there's two other items that you want to test quickly. Unplug the washing machine motor and then replug the machine back in. So you've got the heater disconnected and you've got the motor disconnected. If it doesn't trip the electricity supply, then you know it's one or the other that's causing the problem. Then the other most common item to cause electrical shorts and tripping is the suppressor or the electrical filter. This is in the top right hand side of the machine where the cable comes into the machine. Sometimes these can overheat and get a hairline fracture and cause a direct short. So that's another common item. But apart from that, there are many components on the machine that could cause an electrical item and electrical short, and you're going to have to go through the process of elimination. Anyway, I've done some detailed videos explaining all these in the past, and what I suggest you do is in the description on this video there is a link to the page I've created for you. But I've also put on there some videos which are really going to help you understand how to detect earth leakage problems. I hope this all helps you. And at the top of the page, by the way, there is a link which will take you through to any part that you need for your machine. But do be aware you are going to need your full model number off the identification plate. I hope this helps you. Good luck with your repair. And if you do need further assistance, remember, you can contact me, but it does take me a couple of days to get back to you as I'm traveling at the moment. Thanks very much indeed.